So this is the inn. Yeah. So we're checking in. Honestly, checking into the hotel, going to the reception. Afterwards, teach me food. This night, yeah, because honestly, stressed already. Yeah? Oh, Otibawa. Okay. Thank you.
You guys should make sure you cover very well this. Mama, come here, stop showing this. You've not been into this before, right?
Your baby?
With
Hello. Yeah, she's looking.
Hey, my phone then.
Oh,
Let him go.
yeah, because my food is already on.
All of you are done. They can do it with that. First of all, yeah. Not even because as I am, I'm even tired. So once this is the entrance, then from there you open the door, yeah, with your card. Then from there, the first thing you see here is the wardrobe, and we already have things in here though. I have our luggages packed in. So after that, then we go straight to the toilet, to the restroom. Yeah, so here it is, and so we have this thing there already. So this is the Tom, this is it. Yeah, so that's me over there, and then from there, let's see, should we check the toilet first? Okay, so you just press, and voila, it flushes. Now from there, now let's go over to the room itself. Um, the room itself. Now we have, this is the bed. You can see the size. This is the size of the bed. That's my phone over there. Ignore. And from there we have a chair. I think there are two chairs. This is one with a table. There's another chair here with a table. So we ignore those stuff. Then here also there is the TV, and here we have all the beverage, all blah 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 blah. There's a kettle. You can see there's the water, and here also opening it, there's a small fridge there, and let's see what's in there. We just have just a bottle of water, so in case we want to store in something here. Yeah, so yeah, there's a mirror, a standing mirror over here, and after that I think I showed you guys here, and this is it. And now we have the view. Let's go over to the balcony. They are us even having a program here, so yeah, this is the view of the balcony. And now they're having a host. There's a party pool there, so you can see over there. They're having a show, a party pool show. I think Miss Tourism, yeah, that's what it is. And so that's all. That's all you can see now. Yeah, thank you. We have a ghetto in the building. We have a ghetto in the building. Look at my seat. Shake your bum, shake your bum, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. How are you? How are you doing? How are we doing? Are we ready?
Yeah, we are ready.
Are we ready? Are we ready? So thank God for today. Today we want to always thank God for the success of today. So today was today, but it was worse because we are now in the night. So we had a wedding today, and it was fun. We blessed God even as first. The whole thing was looking like we were late. We had this, but we had the engagement. We also had the reception and everything. We thought it was successful. Everything was fun. So please let me know your comment down below. Wish me congratulations, and let me know if you're interested for me to give you the breakdown of how much was spent and the things that are important that we really put as number one on our list, and then the few millions that was spent. So if you're interested and you are planning a wedding, then I will also tell you the mistakes to avoid, the mistake I made today, and what to do. So please give me comments in the comment down below. Bye, and I'll be making that video. Take care. Bye.